वेलकम बैक टू कॉर्टेक्स। आज हम करने वाले हैं ऐप इंजन क्विक स्टार्ट पाइथन लैब। सो फर्स्ट वी विल क्लिक स्टार्ट लैब। नेक्स्ट हम क्लाउड कंसोल को इनकॉग्निटो विंडो में ओपन करेंगे। क्लिक आई अंडरस्टैंड। क्लिक आई एग्री एंड कंटिन्यू। नेक्स्ट क्लोज द ट्यूटोरियल। Come back here on the task one. Next we have to enable the app engine admin API card. Search for it. Click on it. It is already enabled, so we don't have to do anything. If it is not enabled, you have to enable it. On to the task 2, we have to use some commands to download the Hello World app. To use those commands, we have to activate the Cloud Shell by clicking on this icon here. Click Continue. Click Authorize. Then next, come back here. Copy this git clone command. After it is successfully cloned, come back here. Change the directory. Then set up the Python environment using these commands. This command is completed. Come back here. Onto the task 3, we have to test the application now. So copy this, run it here. Now the app is live. We have to change the port to 5000 and view it. So first click on web preview, change port 5000, change and preview. You see the hello world is printed here. Come back. Next on the task 4, we have to make a change in the main.py file. So copy this, close this website for now. Control C to end it and paste the command that we kept copied earlier, the nano main.py. Now we have to come down here and change this hello world. First, we will carefully remove this. Next, we have to enter hello cruel world instead of hello world. Copy this, paste it here, Control X, Y, and hit enter. Next, we will run the app again. We will click on web preview, click preview on port 5000, and it is updated. Next, we will do Control C again to close it. Task 5 is to deploy the app, so copy this, paste it here. For the region, I have to select US West 1, which is at 3, so I will enter 3. For you, the region could be something different, so make sure to pay attention to that. Now after this is completed, we will go back here. Task 6 is to view the application again. However, we have deployed the app, so click check my progress and it is completed. Now you can just simply end this lab. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos. You can just simply end this lab.